Okay, very quickly I'm gonna we do fill up the Mizu. This is our Mizu. Okay, hang on. Just fill up a little bit inside of the humidifier. Okay. Hang on. I'm going to quickly show you how do we do it, you know. Okay. That's it there. Switch it on. As you can see, brother, and you see the smoke. Hang on, let me quickly go and switch off the light. 1 minute, brother. Easier to see this. So there you go. This is the humidifier that we use, brother. You can see it here. Bring it closer to you. I'm going to put it higher a bit. You can see this. So we turn this. Can you see this? So what we do is just pour this inside our Mizu disinfectant, sanitizer and kind of thing. It's dead safe. Put it inside here. This is the timer. Buy this on Lazada, but I get it from our friend who gets it from China. And we disinfect our whole house like this. That's it. Beautiful. Leave it on for about 10-20 minutes. Whole house is all nice and diffused and disinfected. Beautiful. Droplet size is perfect. So I leave it here. This is for our hall. I also do it for the rooms and all that. That's the bedrooms, everything. So that's what this is. That's safe, bro. Our Mizu. That's safe. Kills all bacteria, viruses, brother. Just diffuse it.